The recent heavy rains in Veracruz have caused river levels to surge, flooding Minatitlán and now threatening to inundate Coatzacoalcos, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Authorities anticipate that, within the next 24 to 72 hours, water from the Coatzacoalcos and San Juan rivers, both of which flow into the Papalopan River, may reach Coatzacoalcos. The swollen Coatzacoalcos River has already caused streets and commercial areas in Minatitlán to flood, forcing over 400 businesses to close as merchants scramble to protect their goods. Emergency shelters are being established for residents of Playan Sur, where rising water poses significant risk. Local officials in Veracruz report that the river has nearly reached its ordinary maximum water level of 1.95 meters, and nearby communities, including Zapotal, Hacienda Vieja, and Boca del Barco, face imminent danger if water levels continue to rise. The National Weather Service warns that a low-pressure system over eastern and southeastern Mexico will continue to drive heavy rains across Veracruz, Chiapas, Tabasco, and the Yucatan Peninsula this weekend, with expected rainfall of up to 75 millimeters in some areas. These ongoing rains could lead to further landslides and surges in river levels.